Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest, most jaw-dropping motorhomes of 2025, the Kenworth Motorhome Camper Truck. If you're someone who dreams of hitting the open road without leaving behind the comfort of home, then buckle up. Because this beast is redefining what road travel can look like. Let's start with the first thing that grabs your attention: the design. From the outside, it looks like a powerful semi-truck, but built with the finesse of a luxury RV. The front-end styling retains that classic Kenworth toughness: chrome grille, high riding stance, LED lighting. But the extended camper section in the rear adds a futuristic and premium touch. It's rugged, dominant, and totally built for cross-country adventures. Now stepping inside. This is where things get really impressive. The interior of the 2025 PACCAR 5 Kenworth Motorhome is a complete game-changer. We're talking about top-tier luxury here. Think hardwood floors, soft-touch leather surfaces, a fully equipped kitchen with induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, and yes, even a dishwasher. The living space includes a slide-out design that expands when parked, offering a surprisingly spacious lounge with a full entertainment system and a 4K smart TV. And if you're wondering about sleeping arrangements, there's a queen-size master bed, complete with underbed storage, side reading lamps, USB ports, and climate control. Above the driver's cabin, there's even an optional loft bunk, perfect for kids or guests. The bathroom is full-size too, with a standing shower, porcelain toilet, and even a skylight that brings in natural light. Under the hood, this monster is powered by a Cummins X15 605 horsepower engine, paired with an 18-speed Eaton automated transmission. This isn't just a camper, it's a full-on powerhouse that can tow extra cargo, a boat, or even a trailer behind it without breaking a sweat. And despite its size, the truck handles surprisingly well on the highway, thanks to advanced steering, assist, and a full air ride suspension that smooths out rough roads. What makes this motorhome stand out in 2025 is how it blends industrial strength with modern tech. You've got solar panels on the roof, a lithium-ion battery system with a full inverter, and a touch-screen control panel inside to manage everything from lighting to climate to power consumption. It even supports remote diagnostics and mobile app integration, so you can monitor everything from your smartphone. And let's talk pricing. This kind of luxury and capability doesn't come cheap. Depending on customization and features, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome Camper Truck can range anywhere from $400,000 to over $650,000. But for serious RV travelers or digital nomads, it's more than a vehicle, it's a rolling mansion. So, who is this for? It's perfect for full-time travelers, tourers who don't want to compromise on space or comfort, or even someone looking for the ultimate weekend warrior machine. It's not your average RV. It's a lifestyle upgrade. To wrap it up, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome Camper Truck is a bold statement in the RV world. A mix of raw trucking power and high-end living. Whether you're parked at a lakeside campground or cruising through mountain passes, this machine delivers style, substance, and serious capability. Thanks for tuning in to Honest Auto Wheels. If you like this review, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of the world's coolest rides. See you in the next one.